Hey baby, I miss you so much. I really fall in love with you. I want to make a life with you. I work for the future with you. I don't want to see you bad or sad. I only need I want to see you happy. This week or the other week I made the papers of my visa for USA because I want to know you, feel you. I need you, baby. I need you so much. I need you with me. Here in Colombia, everyone knows you are my girlfriend and see me happy and I'm happy for you. I only need you, really miss you. I'm so sad.